Uteti wigie uthogi wa maumirira ma githurano nene na njira ya guthoga mitambo ya ukinyaria ya kamiti ya IEBC ukoretwo ukiyumiria mahinda kwa mahinda micemania-ini ya uteti kuria mwahu wa Kenya Kwanza na uria utongoragio ni munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Daktari William Ruto ukoretwo ukiorota minister wa ukinyaria Joe Mucheru makiuga na njama ya guthoga mitambo ya kamiti ya githurano na mihaka. Ni uteti Mucheru akoretwo agiteaniria ta muhuhu utari na muthingi murugamo uria umuthi hingo ya kigomano kia gibũrũri gia kumurika wuikia nenda-ini. Minister Mucheru augite uthogi wa mitambo eno ya ithurano ni undu tangihotekeka.
There are people who keep on saying that I'm planning to hack, I don't know, I have teams, but all that is politics. It's not reality. I was talking to professionals, people who know how systems are set up, people who've been looking at security. And we know as a country we've been fairly secure.
Iguru ria thirikari gukorwo na mitambo itangithogeka, Minister Mucheru augite mari na ataramu kihiri na akinyaneru wira-ini wao hari kugitira ciikoro ciothe cia guthoga mitambo ya thirikari, akiongerera kuga igerio riothe ria guthoga mitambo ni undu ngithararia mutambo wa e-citizen na uria ukoragwo ukiheana motungata 300 ngurani ma thirikari kuri muingi.
So the strategy that is now being prepared for 2022 to 2026 is an important one that will allow us to continue ensuring that the country is ahead of all these areas as we introduce 5G and many of the new products and services. Then at least we're prepared.
Iguru ria augite kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka iri na ataramu ayo mwanya akugitira mitambo ya kamiti no kumana na ugwati wa guthogwo.
From our end, I think we are fairly safe with what we've provided, but as you know, we are not running the elections. That is being run by the IEBC. So they're the ones who are procuring the servers, they're the ones procuring even the connectivity. So I think they would be best placed to answer that question. And I'm hoping that they've consulted NC4 to make sure that everything they have is safe.
Na ciĩgiĩ wagi wa internet ceceni-ini imwe cia wuikia wa kura bũrũri-inĩ, Mucheru augĩte thirikari nĩ ĩrarutithania wĩra na kamiti ya ithurano na mĩhaka IEBC harĩ gũtigĩrĩra ceceni ici irĩ na ũhoti wa kĩmĩtambo.
We've digitized lands, we're digitizing health, all these different ministries. And therefore it is critical and we must ensure that we are safe and secure.
Bũrũri wa Kenya ni ũmwe wa mabũrũri marĩa marĩ ũhũthĩri mũnene wa nenda. Minister Mucheru akiuga ũkinyanĩria wa mũtaratara ũyũ wa cyber security strategy nĩ ũkũhotithia kũhĩtana na wĩkinaĩ nenda-inĩ na ũhũthĩri mũũru wa nenda. Uge ũrĩa ũnyitĩtwo mbaru nĩ Humphrey Njogu kuma kamiti ya cyber security.
Build institutional framework for cyber security governance and coordination. Second one, strengthen cyber security legal and regulated framework. Third, protect and safeguard critical information infrastructures.
Guthetera Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Nakuru rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ wa ng'ombe wa Maina.
So, participants